Welcome back to another episode and thanks for tuning in. In this episode I am doing a quick unbox of this super down low shift knob. In this particular case it's a Neochrome color. This shift knob is pretty much universal because use a screw in type insert kind of bushing. So if you have several cars and have the same inserts, you can switch between your cars. You know, like example, in an Audi, in a 240 you have a red one, and on the Mirage have a Neochrome one. You can switch between those cars, by example, or in a Civic. You know, this is what I mentioned. Those are the inserts goes in the shift knob. Okay guys, I do videos in Spanish and English, so if you subscribe to my channel you are gonna notice that in the future I do the same video in Spanish and English. I do my best to translate everything in English so you can enjoy the videos with me. I really love this color because, you know, have almost all the spectrum of base color, so you can combine with pretty much every color in your car. The only flaw I found at the moment is that little dot you can see in the screen. I turn off the flashlight to see better the color. I'm really in love with this Neochrome color. Wow, this is so beautiful and nice. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like the video, of course, and share with your friends so you can help me grow my channel and I can continue doing every kind of video of unbox or DIY. I make a lot of car stuff, a lot of DIY related to cars or home projects, so stay tuned. Well, here's the insert I was mentioning earlier and goes there. At this point I can tell you guys I already test this shift knob on my car, and the jam knot went pretty easy, but I don't like how it looked with the jam knot, so I don't going to use that, and I'm gonna make a video when I go ahead and install this shift knob. And almost forgot, this is the brand SICKSPEED. So thanks for tuning in, and remember, as always, get your hands dirty and make it happen. Bye. We'll be right back.